you have some punctuation that change the pronunciation of the words,
Okay.
like some accents that we
Hmm.
have on some letters, like on some alphabets. So that
Hmm.
what that change the pronunciation of the words. So
Okay.
yes, for example, like how many alphabet do you have in Hindi? Do you understand Hindi, right?
Yes.
How many alphabet do you have in Hindi?
50 around. Not
Yes,
sure.
around 50, 52, 53, as people
Yes.
saying, right? So here in French, the alphabet is less, which means what? French is comparatively like more simple than Hindi.
Hmm.
All
Okay.
right. The only different things is what? Is the difference of pronunciation. Same alphabet, but difference of pronunciation. La différence de prononciation. Difference of pronunciation.
Okay.
Différence de prononciation. Différence de prononciation. Clear? So, all
Okay.
right. Let's start. Yes. What do you have here? Yes. Can you read? Like in
Yes.
red. Yes. In red part, this is like how you should pronounce it. This is in English. Kind of in English pronunciation. Yes. Yes. This one is.
Yes. This is R.
This is A. This is kind of long A. 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 A.
Okay.
A. Yes. If you know when like in English, when you see like car, right? It's not normally it's not car, it's car. We do not pronounce the R.
Hmm.
AR in English is read like long A. Is A. So it's car, not car, even in English. But people are what? Are mistaking the pronunciation. Alright, this one is A. A. A for A. A.
Okay.
A. Like you are compressing a ball. A. A. A long A. A. Alright?
Okay.
Yes? Try. A.
Yes.
Try.
Ah.
Thank you. Yes. A.
Bay.
B. Very good. B like boat.
Hmm. Say.
Yes. Very good.
Day.
D. Very good.
Uh.
Yes. E. Very good. E. Alright? Yes.
F. J. Ash. E. G. Car.
K. K.
Ka. L. M. N. O. P. Q.
Yes. Q. Yes. Q. Alright.
R. S. T.
Very good. T.
U.
Yes. U. U.
U. U.
U. U.
U.
Like someone is vomiting. U. U.
U.
U. U. Not U. Is U.
Got it.
U.
Got it. Got
Yes.
it. Got it.
Alright. Pronounce. Yes. Pronounce.
O.
U.
U. U.
U. Yes. Very good. U. Alright.
V.
V like Bugatti Veyron.
Hmm.
This is what? This is two V, right? Which is what?
W.
Very good. W like what? Like wife or something like that. Okay. Okay.
Okay. X.
X. Yes. Yes.
Y.
Okay.
Z.
Very good. Very good. All right. So again.
Z.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay, are we done with this demo?
Hmm?
Like how long it's going to be?
Like I will just want to finish this one and then ask you some question. All right.
Actually,
So
I have one more meeting. So
okay. All right. All
thanks,
right.
thanks. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm done
Okay.
with it.
All right.
Thanks.
So yes, I'm engineer Abdul Maruf. Like I'm from civil background. As you can
Okay.
see, my helmet's back
Hmm.
background. I'm
Hmm.
a civil engineer here by background, and then a
Okay.
French teacher for many years. Um,
Okay.
yes, I'm born and then raised in West Africa, Niger.
Hmm.
Niger is a West Africa country.
Hmm.
We speak like our language, our official language is French. So we are French
Okay.
speaker, yes, by native French. Yes, I'm here
Okay.
in India for many years, working like a civil engineer and then taking also some like specialization course here in India.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Any question? Like, is there anything that you want to know in French or something?
Can you tell me about TEF exam?
All right. DELF exam.
TEF.
Yes. DELF exam.
TEF.
Yes.
TEF.
Yes. I'm coming. I get what you are saying.
No, I heard you are saying DELF.
No, I heard what you said. DELF. Yes. Give me a moment. Let me display my board. Mhm. Yes. DELF is TEF, right? That's what you're
Hmm.
talking about. Okay?
Yes.
In
Yes.
French is what? Test, test, okay, test d'évaluation, E for évaluation, évaluation,
Hmm.
okay, F for française, okay, test d'évaluation française,
Okay.
test d'évaluation français, okay, T, E, F, okay, this is test d'évaluation français. The
Hmm.
things that you are talking about, this is like, is what? Is asked for many, like, many needed, like, especially in
How
Canada.
much time will it take?
Yes, to do this examination right, it means
Hmm.
what? Like French evaluate like evaluation test in
Hmm.
English. French evaluation text, which means what? We have to understand French before doing this test.
Hmm.
Yes, we have to understand French. Like as you think that you understand French, that you go and give the test. For example, is the same like TOEFL and the IELTS. You can go and say, no, I'm going to IELTS without understanding English. You have to be comfortable in English and then go give this text.
Okay.
Okay, which means this test don't have let's say is not having any particular topic or something. Everything can come as if it is in French. It can come.
Okay.
Clear? Yes. So in these things, what we are going to watch on what the subject that is going to come under this text or under all the text of French, what you are going to do: reading, okay, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening,
अच्छा
reading, writing, and speaking, right? So
ठीक
for
है. Okay.
listening in French is what? Is compréhension, compréhension écrite. Listening, let me do it like L. Listening is what? Is compréhension, compréhension, okay, oral. Like oral comprehension, you have to understand the audio and the what? And the respond, right? And the what? R for reading, it means what? Compréhension, compréhension what? Compréhension écrit. You have to understand what is written and then you respond. Okay? W for what? For writing.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, okay. I have to leave now.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. All right.